In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Idaho. Review your Idaho requirements. Go to the Idaho Secretary of State website to confirm the process for updating or changing your LLC's address. Get the correct form. Download and access the Amendment of Certificate of Organization form, which is used to update or change your LLC's address in Idaho. Complete the full form, fill in your LLC's full name, old address, new address, and any other details. Avoid accuracies. Make sure you are accurate to avoid any delays. Pay the filing fee. Prepare your state filing fee. Check the Idaho Secretary of State website for the most and current filing fee that you need to pay. Submit the form. File the form and the fee through online, or you can go in person. Update any other records. After the amendment is approved, update your new LLC's address with the IRS, bank, licensing and permits, or any other businesses you keep in contact with. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Idaho. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.